Writing task 2 and task 1 explained in under 2 minutes. The structure is 5 paragraphs for email when it comes to task 1. In the informal emails, you want to write the intro and the conclusion with the starting greeting and the ending greeting. Starting greeting is something like, hello, how are you, what's up, etc. The ending greeting is something like, take care, talk to you soon, give my love to kids. The 3 body paragraphs in the middle are going to answer the 3 bullet points in the question in sequence. So 1 bullet point, 1 body paragraph. When it comes to task 1 email response for formal emails, you do, again, the 5-paragraph procedure. The first paragraph is the purpose. Why you're writing this letter, you want to mention that clearly. We do not do a greeting in the formal letters. Then you have your 3 body paragraphs. Each body paragraph, once again, answers 1 bullet point. Then the conclusion has the formal greeting. I'm looking forward to talking to you. And if you want advanced templates, check out my link in the description. When it comes to the body paragraphs, each body should have 2 sentences. So each body has 2 points, 1 sentence per point. So 2 sentences are answering each bullet point in the question. So 1 bullet point, 1 body paragraph. And in this body paragraph, you have 2 sentences. Same thing, next bullet point, next body paragraph, and so on. That will ensure you're on structure and you're answering the question completely, given 2 sentences per bullet point. When we move to task 2, you have 4 paragraphs. Do not start with Dear Sir, Madam. Do the essay format. The 4 paragraphs, the first one is going to be the introduction where you give your opinion. Body 1 is where you give 2 reasons why your opinion is good. Mention some examples. Body 2 is 2 reasons why the other opinion is bad. You want to criticize that. And the conclusion rephrases your opinion. Simple. Now, it is not that simple. There are advanced words and phrases you need to use. There are hours of details here that you need to understand before your exam. The do's and don'ts, how you can get a 9 and more in the exam, and why most people don't get that. If you want to know those details, check out my course in the description. It's right now at a 20% discount. And if you did like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll talk soon.